What it do, fam? Facebook fam, Instagram fam, what it do, baby? YouTube fam. Yangstead, check it. Up early morning, you know what I tell you, early bird catches the worm. Yangstead, praying much, cause I'm out here dolo all the time, taking care of myself anywhere I can, dog. Anywhere I can. So right now I'm in Randolph, Massachusetts. About to walk up in this Dunkin' to show y'all what's popping. Last night I did prayer and I did some other shit that y'all don't know about. You know, I got this, you know what I'm saying? I got voodoo in the family, but I don't utilize voodoo, you dig? I use my magic for good, so to say. So I did a little bit of something. What's up, my man? How you doing? Everything good? Yeah, this is my fans, Instagram, YouTube. You know what I mean? I just talked to them. Let them know what's popping on me. You know what I mean? So like I was saying, a little bit of magic last night. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could tell you what I did, but I can't. Because if you do it wrong, you bring negativity to it. You feel me? I know what I'm doing with that because I've done it before and it's been positive. So yeah, this is where we are in Magic Dunkin' Donuts store, Randolph, Massachusetts, you feel? You know what I'm saying? Just left my covert undisclosed location where I sleep. Yeah, this gentleman right here, he's awesome. Met him today. He was in the war, I believe. He's also offered new food. You know what I'm saying? If I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry right now. You know what I mean? I appreciate that, sir. I told you I did the movie stuff too. So listen, I'm gonna get at y'all. And I told you what's popping with that. You know what I mean? Nah, I didn't tell you, but I can't tell you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be here for a minute. It's all gonna be lovely. You know what I mean? Because what I did last night, hocus pocus poof. Makes it happen. It's already love. My gas tank is empty, right? But my pockets ain't. You dig? Already. Magic. Word. I'll holler at you. One. Prayer. One. God bless.